Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, Poppy here. This is Poppy After Midnight, November 30th, 2019. I have miles to go and promises to keep. I hope I didn't infringe copyright with that short little sentence there. So a famous poem. I'm pointing right at you through the camera. The new camera arrived yesterday. It's yesterday now, right? Anyway, it's a Logitech HD webcam C525. And it's nice. It connects with both this computer right there, you see it right here? That one, and this one over here you can't see. My two YouTube computers. I record and post from both of them. Anyway, it works with both of them. The last one would only work with the other computer and not with this one. And the cheap red Chinese piece of crap on right about here there, you see it? It will only work with this computer, and that's, I can't put an extension on it, you know, as USB cord. It will not. It can only work with that cable, and it's twitchy. How twitchy is it? It'd make Eric Foreman look like a normal guy. That's how twitchy it is. That was a TV show, that 70s show, and its star, or its lead character, was Eric Foreman. He's a skinny little guy. And somehow he just happens to have the hottest girlfriend imaginable. And no. Don't be pointing at the short, little, dark-haired one. No. Sorry. I'm sorry, just don't do it. Maybe Screech, just, you know, I think belongs with owls. Anyway, I'm going to go now testing this camera. See how it works.